Vanguard Digital Advisor Robo-Advisor Honest Review Watch before using. Most investors get automated investing wrong. They assume all robo-advisors are the same. Vanguard Digital Advisor offers low-cost, professionally managed portfolios with automated rebalancing and retirement planning. The surprising truth is how affordable it is, and you won't believe how simple it makes building a diversified portfolio. Here's how it works. Investors complete a risk profile, choose financial goals, and the platform recommends a tailored portfolio of ETFs. Digital Advisor monitors investments, rebalances periodically, and provides clear progress tracking toward goals. For example, a young professional saving for retirement can start with a moderate risk portfolio, enjoy automatic diversification, and watch the portfolio adjust over time without manual intervention. Most people get this wrong. They assume automated investing sacrifices control, but Digital Advisor provides transparency and goal tracking. Fees are low, and there's no minimum for many accounts, making it accessible to new investors. The platform also offers financial guidance and educational resources. However, there are considerations. Robo-advisors are not personalized financial advisors. They provide general recommendations, not individualized legal or tax advice. Most people assume it replaces a full-service advisor entirely. It's best for long-term, passive investors. In conclusion, Vanguard Digital Advisor is a solid option for investors seeking low-cost, automated portfolio management. With goal-based investing, automatic rebalancing, and transparency, it simplifies long-term wealth building. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of robo-advisors and investment platforms.